I want to show you how to use the High Blush Cloudy Cream Cheek Duo. First, apply the blush, then follow with the highlighter. If you want to intensify the cheek color, reapply the blush on top. Don't worry, the formula layers naturally and melts seamlessly into the complexion without looking heavy. You can also wear the blush alone for a natural glow, while the highlighter adds an extra pop of shine and subtle color shift. The formula is uniquely lightweight, allowing you to use your favorite application tool, whether it's a dense face brush, a makeup sponge, or even your fingers for a quick and mistake-proof application. For a classic look, start on the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards towards the higher cheekbones. Apply high blush on the high points of your cheeks for a lifted effect, place on the apples of your cheeks for a doll-like finish, and add a touch to the bridge of your nose for a sun-kissed look.